How to save an overwatered peace lily. Have you been watering your peace lily regularly, but instead of looking healthier, it seems to be getting worse? Maybe the leaves are turning yellow, the plant is drooping, or the soil never seems to dry out. You may be wondering, can an overwatered peace lily be saved? How do I know if the roots are damaged? What should I do first? The good news is that an overwatered peace lily can often recover if you act quickly. The key is to identify the problem early, protect the roots, and give the plant the right conditions to recover. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to save an overwatered peace lily and help it grow healthy again. 1. Stop watering immediately. The first step is simple. Stop watering your peace lily. Many people make the mistake of adding even more water because the leaves are drooping. However, an overwatered plant can droop just like an underwatered one. Before watering again, always check the soil. If it still feels wet, your plant does not need more water. Giving the roots time to breathe is the first step toward recovery. Number 2. Check the soil. Next, examine the soil carefully. Healthy potting soil should feel moist, not soaking wet. If the soil is waterlogged, muddy, heavy, wet for several days, then excess moisture is likely causing the problem. Also check whether the pot has proper drainage holes. Without drainage, water collects around the roots and increases the risk of root rot. 3. Improve drainage. Good drainage is essential for healthy roots. If your peace lily is planted in heavy soil that stays wet for too long, consider improving the growing medium. A well-draining indoor plant mix helps excess water leave the pot while still holding enough moisture for healthy growth. Also remember to empty any water that collects in the saucer after watering. Never allow the roots to sit in standing water. Number 4. Inspect the roots. If the plant continues declining, it may be time to inspect the roots. Carefully remove the peace lily from its pot. Healthy roots are usually firm, white or light tan, fresh-looking. Damaged roots may be brown or black, soft, mushy, foul-smelling. These are signs of root rot caused by excess moisture. Finding the problem early greatly improves the chance of saving the plant. 5. Remove rotten roots. If you find damaged roots, use clean scissors or pruning shears to remove them. Cut away only the soft, black, or mushy roots. Leave as many healthy roots as possible. Cleaning away rotten roots prevents the damage from spreading and gives the healthy parts of the root system a better chance to recover. Always disinfect your tools before and after pruning. Number 6. Repot into fresh soil. After trimming damaged roots, repot the peace lily into fresh, well-draining potting soil. Choose a clean pot with drainage holes. Avoid using the old soil if it stayed wet for too long or showed signs of root rot. Fresh soil provides better airflow, improved drainage, a healthier environment for new root growth. Repotting is often one of the most effective ways to save a severely overwatered peace lily. Number 7. Place the plant in bright indirect light. Light helps the plant recover by supporting healthy photosynthesis. Move your peace lily to a location with bright indirect light. Avoid strong direct sunlight, which may stress the plant even more. A bright, stable environment encourages the production of new roots and leaves. Good light also helps the soil dry at a healthy rate. Wait before fertilizing. A stressed plant does not need fertilizer immediately. Applying fertilizer while the roots are damaged may cause additional stress. Instead, allow your peace lily several weeks to recover. Once you see healthy new growth, you can begin using a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. Healthy roots should always come before feeding. Step 9. Be patient. During recovery. Recovery takes time. Do not expect your peace lily to look perfect after just a few days. During recovery, you may notice some yellow leaves, slow growth, older leaves dying naturally. At the same time, watch for positive signs such as new leaves appearing, firm stems, healthy green foliage, soil drying normally between waterings. These are good signs that your plant is recovering. Number 10. Prevent overwatering in the future. Once your peace lily recovers, avoid making the same mistake again. Follow these simple habits. Check the soil before watering. Water only when the top inch of soil feels slightly dry. Use a pot with drainage holes. Choose well-draining soil. Empty excess water from the saucer. Reduce watering during fall and winter when growth slows. Remember, peace lily usually suffers more from too much water than from waiting an extra day to water. Learning to water based on the plant's needs is the best long-term strategy. Conclusion. Saving an overwatered peace lily is possible if you act quickly. The most important steps are: stop watering immediately, check the soil and drainage, inspect the roots, remove any rotten roots, repot into fresh, well-draining soil, provide bright indirect light, wait before fertilizing, be patient while the plant recovers. Healthy roots are the foundation of a healthy peace lily. By correcting your watering routine and giving the plant time to recover, you can often bring it back to full health. Thank you for watching Plants Every Day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple indoor plant care tips. Be sure to explore our Peace Lily Watering and Root Care playlist for more easy guides on keeping your peace lily healthy from the roots up. See you in the next video. Happy growing!